Welcome back TR Racing fans. If you haven't already, you may have seen the latest updates on Ruben's road car, the RX-7. That's all coming this year, lots of updates happening, and also the track car. So we've been busy ticking away over this Christmas period because last event, Taupo Motorsport Track, we took this car there and it actually took a hiding for 3 days, and we've come back and repaired a whole bunch of things, little niggly bits and pieces that may have caused us issues on the track. What we've done, we actually found a fuel was actually leaking out of this fitting here, so we've replaced this with a brand new fitting and hose. The turbo, this line here, the alloy pipe off the turbo, we've welded on a new section, extended it out and got it off the manifold because we actually blew a big hole here. And also our clutch line, that caused us quite a few issues, so we've swapped that out with a braided line, and we've also changed to a brand new master cylinder on the firewall, and that's looking really good. We've bled that clutch and it's all awesome. So we've dropped the car down off its stands and we're actually going to bring it outside for the first time in the last couple of months. So yeah, we're looking at taking this car to an event again. We absolutely loved it. So this year we're going to try to get to as many events as we can.
Hey, look over here. We've got a new purchase. Haltech can gauge. Still got to get it wired in. Mike, that's your job. Gee brother, you know. But yeah, we thought we'd get a few safeties on here. Especially when you're singing at 8,000 RPM on the track sideways. So new purchase, good to go. Let's go. This is the first start since October last year, just because we've been so busy and been away on holiday. So yeah, started first pop, even with no cold start, just give it a few revs, she's on. Sounds bloody good. Gotta love those cams, man, just raw.
True car enthusiast, got to do a few revs, eh Ruben?
Fucking hey, we're on.
Oh, whatever, Mr. Drifter.
Shut it down, eh?
Shut it down.
Hit the kill switch. So yeah, we'll probably look at maybe Mad Mike Summer Bash. Not Mad Mike Summer Bash.
Nah, definitely not Mad Mike.
Take two. We'll definitely look at Mad Mike Drift Force Day is what we want to do, because there's less cars on the track, more track time. So yeah, what do you reckon?
I reckon that we need to get this car to some events. So hopefully you're following us, you're subscribing, you're talking about this car to your friends and all other cars, because TR Racing's on and we're about to be at some more events. So awesome following. Cheers fellas.
Later.